Hello, today we're going to climb aboard our 2019 Sea Ray SLX 310 with twin outboard 350 Verados in the back of the boat. Gorgeous aft sun pad with radio control and charger. It's a starboard side walkthrough. You have tons of space to enter the boat with big L-shaped seating. Nice aft facing seat, as well as prep station, grill, fridge, depending on how you option the boat. You can put many different setup in there. Here we have our new Simrad in-dash glass display. Nice sleek setup. Move forward a little bit. You see the controls for the Mercury, the Simrad VHF, as well as the joystick controller with Skyhook. On this side you have a nice captain seat, which actually can spin around and face aft as well. Large head down below. Then forward you can come see the spacious seating on the bow of the 310 SLX. This boat does have a windlass anchor. Call me, my name's Tim. I'm here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach, 845-544-5635. Have a great day.